Does using Bread Pay affect your credit score? Let's find out. Bread Pay is a popular buy now, pay later service which lets you make purchases and pay for them over time. But if you're using it, you might be wondering, does it impact your credit score? Well, it all depends on how Bread Pay reports your activity to credit bureaus. Let's break it down. Here are the key factors to consider. First up, credit report reporting. Bread Pay may report your payment history to the major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. If they do, your on-time payments could improve your score. But if you miss a payment, it could hurt your credit score. Next, let's talk about hard versus soft inquiries. When Bread Pay checks your credit report, they typically perform a soft inquiry, which doesn't affect your credit score. However, in rare cases, they might perform a hard inquiry, which could cause a slight dip in your score, but only temporarily. Now let's discuss credit utilization. If Bread Pay reports your balance, carrying a high balance relative to your credit limit could impact your credit score negatively. A lower balance, on the other hand, can boost your score. Don't forget, missed payments can hurt your score. If you miss a payment with Bread Pay, they may report it to the credit bureaus, which can negatively affect your credit score. Staying on top of your payments is key. Finally, let's talk about credit building. If you use Bread Pay responsibly and make payments on time, you may find that it helps build or improve your credit score, but this depends on whether Bread Pay reports your activity to the bureaus. In conclusion, using Bread Pay could impact your credit score, but it really comes down to how they report your activity. The key is making on-time payments and using the service responsibly to avoid any negative effects on your score. Thanks for watching, and remember, be smart with your credit. Make your payments on time and keep track of how services like Bread Pay are reporting your activity. Your credit score will thank you.